Hi, I'm Ben from Internachi, and we're here to do a home inspection. And I'm here with my buddies because I don't want to do a home inspection alone. So why don't you all introduce yourself?
I'm Paul.
I'm Glenn.
I'm Hunter.
I'm John.
And I'm Sean.
So enjoy this inspection video.
Roof. According to the Internachi Home Inspection Standards of Practice, the home inspector has to inspect the following things: the roof covering materials, the gutters, the downspouts, the vents, flashing skylights, chimney and other roof penetrations, and the general structure of the roof from other vantage points. The inspector also must describe in the inspection report the type of roof covering materials, and then the inspector must also report as in need of correction any observed indications of active roof leaks. There are two types of roofs to inspect on this house. One is in the back of the house, that's over the porch near the pool. So over there below us, that's where the pool is, in the backyard. And then there's the main house roof. And the main house roof, the roof covering materials, is the same type as the siding. So the roof of the main house, which we're not going to walk on because it's unique and we might cause some damage. It's the same type of material, installation, layers, drainage plane, as the siding, the exterior siding covering materials. So that's very unique. So we're going to fly a drone and take a look at the roof from a safe vantage point, the ground. So we'll take a look at that. And so from this vantage point at the roof's edge, we can take a look at the roof covering material, the metal, stainless steel, and the fasteners, how it's connected to the structure of the roof, and the EPDM rubber membrane material underneath. So rainwater comes down into the open slots of the metal covering and then drains off onto the siding. There are no gutters. There's one gutter on the metal roof standing seam near the pool, and we'll take a look at that. So behind me is the roof going in the back of the house over the rear porch and pool deck and near the pool. It's a standing seam metal roof. The material looks in good condition. The concern is really all this rainwater being collected into this gutter and then draining off into one direction over there and spilling into a garden area. And we have concerns about how the rainwater is being collected and discharged right next to the foundation of the house. So let's take a look at where this discharge of this very large roof in the back, collecting a lot of water, where it discharges. So here's the metal roof, the standing seam metal roof. The material is good. Large gutter to collect all the water, and it slopes over here through the side fence and then over, and it discharges shooting towards the neighbor's house, but it actually lands right there where you can see some stones exposed because of the erosion during a rainstorm. And that's only several feet from the house foundation. So there's a lot of water being dumped right here, and this area of the ground on the right side of the house is level, and it's very close to the house foundation. I'm Ben from Internachi. That's the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors. Bye.